Hey Keith, here's my welder. A Lincoln TIG 200 square wave. This is my little gizmo to sharpen my tungsten rods. That's my big torch. And my small torch is somewhere. No, that is my small torch. It's the card I got it. Harbor Freight. There's my big torch. And on the back, and my rods, stainless steel filler rods. Then I have a hookup for my 220, or not 220, 110. And then this is an extension cord, 30-foot extension cord that I plug into the wall, and my welder just plugs right into it. So that's just an extension cord. Pretty cool. But here's what I really want to show you. This is my work positioner. So this is my work positioner. This is my 6-inch 4-jaw chuck. I actually don't have it on a plate yet. It's just sitting up there, but I have it trued up. And this is a collet holder. The collet goes in here. It's an ER32 collet holder. It'll go out to 1 inch. And the hole goes all the way through the spindle. Anyway, there's the work positioner. There's a handle to tilt the table. You can lock the table down, flat, parallel. Don't need this one. I have a dial indicator on there. It's indicating on the collet holder. Pretty simple controls. On and off, forward and reverse, speed. There's a foot controller. So I'm going to start it. Check it out. Pretty cool, huh? And you can slow it way down. Until it's moving. And full speed. Got some chatter in the gearbox. Watch the indicator. Anyway, I'm really pleased with it. Weighs about 135 pounds. It's built like a tank. Like Kent said, it can true it up to within 1.5 thousandths. That's pretty dang good. Anyway, that's going to be my setup.